Good night, guys. Forgive me if I look a bit tired as before. I had a test today, so I was up pretty late last night. Just giving y'all a up to date on what's going on in school. So I have my repeat exam for dental materials on Thursday this week. So how it works at the University of the West Indies in the Caribbean is that you get a second chance at doing the exam. If you fail the second time, you have to take a year out. So this exam is critical for me to actually stay into the course. So this is just to add to the suspense of actually trying to do this degree. I went yesterday to see the campus registrar with regards to if I would be allowed to stay in the campus to continue my degree. So I was told by the campus registrar. Actually, I never actually met the campus registrar. She apparently was on leave, so I was told to actually go and see the assistant registrar. Got there after calling ahead, and I only got to speak to the secretary, who told me that the university, despite the fact that I will continue to pay for the tuition, the universities has changed its policies with regards to outstanding balances, and I can't register this semester without paying last month's semester, so I still haven't registered for this semester. So I've been weighing my pros or my options. Option one is to continue to fight and stay in school and pay bit by bit until the balance goes below the required amount so that I can register for this semester and pay the late fee to register this semester. Option two, take time off from the program and try to work to pay off, as well as to gather enough money to continue the degree without any, breaks. I consider that too. Option three is to try to find someone who will be willing to trust the money to me or lend the money to me, which is very unlikely. So I must say option two was looking very, very possible, but I don't know what it is that's going through my mind in terms of trying to keep in the program. Something just tells me to just keep trying and keep fighting. So just to give you an idea of some of the stresses that we as students go through, not only does the average student in university, worry about whether their tuition will be paid. They worry about whether they'll pass their grades, whether if they fail, what will happen. If they fail the second time or the resit examination, what will happen. I mean, there's so much that goes through a student's mind. So when you see a person that has finished their degree, and some people end up getting like uppity or very proud, these are the things that they go through. For our degree is 5 years. Some people go through this for 5 years. Some people go through this for their masters. Some people go through this for their PhD. So there's a lot of things that we have to go through just to try to succeed in life. So when you see persons who have become consultants, especially in medicine, or have risen to the peak of their careers, don't grudge them. They literally go through hell and back to try to achieve. Some persons have money and they can, get through certain financial stresses a lot easier than others. Okay, that's all fine and dandy, but for those that can't, they struggle. So I'm struggling, but I'm not giving up. I'll try to do some dental material lectures so that I can at least be fresh for the exam. I must say I'm a little bit concerned about the exam coming up because, like I said, if I fail, I have to take a year out. So I've been studying, but I had an exam for dental imaging today, and I had another test for occlusion last week. So my studying has been a bit put off, but I have a day and a half, so I'm trying to do the best that I can. Keep subscribing. I love the questions that come. Dr. Assistant out.